Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day. Who's ready to go treasure hunting in the Goodwill Bins? If you haven't been to the bins, it's all of these bins right here full of stuff, and also those big blue bins over there. This is the wall. This is my favorite. This would be pretty painted. There is a big crack right there. Oh, it's signed on the bottom. Should I get this piece? I may have to look it up. I'll put it in the cart and think about it, which of course if I painted it that would kind of take away the value of it. But it looks like we have lots of toys. Ren would be excited to shop here right now with all of these bins full of toys. Oh, that is cute, but the little basket part is broken. Here's a cute little pottery angel, and the head actually comes off. It's signed Debbie on the back. This is adorable. It does have some little chips right here though. I don't know. I think I'm gonna put it in the cart with the other piece of pottery that is chipped and think about it. This little mug. Cute little bunny rabbit. I like him. Happy Easter, Brantley. Oh, that's so cute. Look at these boots. What do they remind y'all of? It looks like some fancy rubber rain boots. The exact same color as the rain boots that you get from Walmart or anywhere. Are they in my size? 36. What does that mean? I feel like these might fit me. Do I need some fancy rain boots? Here's a whole bin of stuff, and I just saw this lamp. It looks like milk glass and brass. It is so pretty. I don't know if I could leave it here. It looks like somebody recently put a new cord on it as well. They've done all of the work. I just don't think I can leave this behind. I think we have to rescue this beautiful lamp. Ooh, I see some baskets over here. This one's from Walmart. Oh, it's actually corn. That would be cute filled with some pumpkins, but it's kind of large for me to ship, so I'm gonna leave that here. I don't need it in my own decor. This basket's pretty messed up. Let's see what else we got. Oh look, it's a watering can. I know this is for pancakes or whatever, but I did buy it as a watering can and use it as a watering can, and it works great. Some clothing. Oh wow, look at this. A whole little pop-it backpack. This little piece of furniture is cute. It is $12.99. It's in pretty rough shape though. It would need a lot of TLC. Little toddler bed right here. Ooh, I like that. Yo, this is $2.99. You would need to put a piece of glass on it, or you could paint it white and put a wood top on it. That would also look good. They always have lots of furniture here. There's never a shortage of lamps. I love this, but they always have good floor lamps. So I feel like if I ever have the need for a floor lamp, they'll probably have one when I want one, but I don't know. You know how that works. When you want something, you can never find it. Some little swivel chairs. Oh, nope, they don't swivel. They're cute though. I like the shape of them. These are $4.99. I think this is another little lamp. Little square lamp. You can kind of turn that into whatever you wanted with some IOD molds or transfers. There's a basket right here. That would be a really good little waste basket for trash. I love the color of it. Do I need one in my house? I don't think so. I'm gonna leave that here. We have a whole aquarium right here. Ooh, a bunch of baking pans. Oh, look at the adorable little rabbit. We got a stork. A little, I think that's a mouse. Some bells, and look at a little sheep. And we have a whole set of hearts right here. Here's a piece of a Dyson. I don't think this has ever been used. I'm pretty sure this would attach to my Dyson vacuum cleaner. I actually just had to replace one of my attachments and it was not cheap, so I'm getting that. Oh, also got a bunch of stuff, but there's a lot of people here. Let me go somewhere else. It's very busy here today, so it's been a little difficult to film. So I've been shopping a little bit without y'all. I found this cute little glass apothecary jar. Always pick up apothecary jars. Look at this little pottery piece. It's signed on the bottom. I think this would be really fun to paint, or should I leave it as is? I don't know. I think it's gonna need a paint job. So let me know what y'all think about that, how I should paint it. I got this little pumpkin here just in case I need it for a vignette. And look, this little rusty, crusty tin right here. It has this little floral in it, but I think this will look really cute with a Christmas tree. And I got this bag for myself. It has the zipper at the bottom where you can put your shoes, and it's just really cute. It's like ivory and gold, and I can just throw it in the washer, clean it up, but honestly, it's in really good condition. And it got a little charging thingy right here. This basket is pretty cute, but what I'm really looking at is the floral. I love all the shades of brown for fall. Oh, y'all, this is actually real dried out floral. I really like these, and I think this will look perfect in my fall decor. I just love vintage suitcases. Look at this one with the pretty creamy white and the brass details and the navy blue. This one is beautiful. Let's see the brand. Joy Luggage. These are so hard to leave behind, but how many suitcases do you need in your house? Look at the brass details. That would be pretty for fall, and you could put some fun pumpkins on it. I don't know what y'all think. Should I get this? All right, y'all. I think I'm gonna head out. There is a lot of people here today. I've looked through everything. They're not bringing out carts that often. I put the hydrangeas in this vase, and look how pretty it looks. I think we might have to keep it this color and not paint it, just clean it up a little bit. So I didn't find too many things today, but I'm happy with the things that I found, and I always love when I find useful things that I need. So I hope y'all enjoyed this thrifting adventure, and I will see y'all in the next one.